Hello everybody, Andrea Twarowski here with Dentalelle Tutoring. So it is that time of the year where everybody's more so thinking is, do I write my portfolio or do I chance it and take the quality assurance exam? So if you are a dental hygienist here in Ontario, if you are audited, you have to either submit your portfolio or do the quality assurance exam. So if you have no idea what those things are, then you're probably not a hygienist in Ontario, so you don't have to watch this. But the nice thing is I do offer, help for both of them. So if you want to write your portfolio, but you have no idea where to start, that's okay. I can help because I do offer a full portfolio workshop online. So it is a self-study course where I go through everything that you need for your portfolio. Our Smile portal is new. If you haven't logged in yet, it's going to look very overwhelming to you. You probably would have had to log in at this point, but it's still very overwhelming. So I do show you guys exactly how to do that with the Smile portal. Smile portal, that's a mouthful. So I show you everything because you have to come up with your own goals, learning activities, all kinds of things, right? But you might not know where to start. So I do help you with all of those. That's all inside the self-study course. I do offer many examples. I'm not saying to use my examples exactly, because if you copy and paste, the CDHO will know. So, come up with your own, but it does give you sort of a good starting off point, right? And I show you guys how to do the typical day. It's very, very easy, but for some reason, hygienists get confused and make it a big deal when it's really not. But if you're thinking about writing the quality assurance exam, I do offer a full study prep course for that too. That is also self-study. I have offered that course for the past year and a half because I think that's how long it's been available for, but we haven't been able to take the exam for a while because it's on hold. But they did update the curriculum for that just last month. So I did have to update everything. So a lot of people ask me, well, do I have to know this, 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 and this, and this? No, it's not like the board exam, but you do have to know certain topics. But in my opinion, a lot easier than taking the board exam. I find a lot of hygienists think they have to study as if they're taking the board exam for the quality assurance, but you don't. That would be way too much. Don't buy textbooks. Don't waste your money buying textbooks. Sign up for my course. It's all right there. And I can happily say that 100% of dental hygienists who did take my course did pass, okay? But that was a while ago because they haven't offered the exam, I don't know, for about 8 months now. But they keep saying it's going to be offered next month, so we'll see what happens. But don't waste your money on textbooks. If you go through everything that I have inside the course, that's all you have to do to study. So I have modules, I have PowerPoints. It's about 75 hours worth of study material, but it depends on how fast you study, depends on how slow. I talked to a dental hygienist just the other day saying that she got through everything in a week and a half. Another one signed up a couple months ago and she's just starting to finish up now. So it depends if you're able to study every day, every other day, 6 hours a day, that's up to you, but it's all right there for you. So I do hope that helped. I will leave the links for you on the bottom, so have a look. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and good luck. The holidays are coming, so you might as well start prepping for that now, so then you can take Christmas off and just relax. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.